Wait a minute, so you can actually make money on Pinterest in 5 different ways?
Oh my God! Wow!
Yes, you can, and today I will show you exactly how to make at least $400 per day on Pinterest. It doesn't matter if you have any experience or not, but let me be clear. Before watching this video, you have to learn what trust is, and you don't have to trust me. Instead, you have to trust yourself, okay? If you don't see any money after the day 1 with the method 1, then switch to the method 2 in the second day. And when you're done, even if you don't have any money, just start over. I'm telling you this even if you might skip this video, because it's really so important to understand that making money online, it can be pretty easy if you follow the exact steps that I will be showing you. But it can also be difficult if you don't spend some time to understand what you have to do. And when you understand, well, you will take it from there and you will be making even more than $400 per day. Okay guys, if you reach this part of the video, well, welcome back to Future Entrepreneurs, and if you're new, it would be great if you could subscribe and turn on the notifications. On this channel, you will learn how to make money online, how to grow your social media. We talk about dropshipping as well. Anyway, you can take a look and watch my other videos. So without spending more time, let's start and see what you have to do to make money on Pinterest. Let's say that you are completely new and you don't even know how to use Pinterest. Hard to believe, but it can be possible. So what will you have to do? First of all, you will have to create an account on Pinterest. You can use your name now, it doesn't matter, you can set up the account later. So you will create a business account and follow all the steps. Now that you have an account, let's see the easiest way to make money. So we will begin with affiliate marketing. If you don't know what that is, you can watch this video right here, but I will also make it easy for you now. If you're new to this concept, well, affiliate marketing is recommending products that you love or that you believe they will add value to your audience. After they make a purchase through your affiliate link, you will earn a commission with no additional cost for the buyer. So it's a win-win. You will get a commission and your audience will get a product that they will love or that they will use. Now you will ask, who is my audience and how am I going to reach my audience? Here, well, it's up to you. You can go for the free way or for the paid way. But let's see how exactly you can make money on Pinterest with affiliate marketing. First of all, I recommend you to start with ClickBank. You will go on clickbank.com and set up an account. Then you will want to choose your product that you want to promote from the marketplace, and you will make a pin on Pinterest. The easiest way to create engaging pins is using canva.com. So you will want to go here and create your pin. Afterwards, you will add your title, a description, and of course your affiliate link that you have got from ClickBank. Then you are done. You will want to publish your pin and that's it. But hey, it's not like you will wake up the next morning and see that you already made 10 sales. If you want to stick to the free method, then you will have to do some work after posting your pin. In order to get discovered on Pinterest, well, you have to engage with others. You can repin other pins, comment and follow your interested accounts. If you really want to make money on Pinterest, well, people have to be able to find your pins. So use SEO strategies starting with your about profile. You don't want to say,
"Hey, my name is Karen, I'm happy to be here," and blah blah blah.
You want to be clear and descriptive and use keywords that you think searchers will use. Also, use SEO strategies on your pins. Each pin allows you 500 characters, about 100 words for your description. So make the most of it by adding keywords and links. What you want to do is to try to include these keywords as naturally as possible and not in a spammy way. Let me tell you that it's not super easy to drive free traffic from Pinterest, but it's neither super difficult. Of course, you can add different pins and use the same affiliate link, or you can create different pins with different products. Now guys, this is the fast and free way to potentially make money on Pinterest using affiliate marketing. But once you are good enough at creating pins and when you understand how it works, well, you should definitely learn new skills that will help you increase your revenue. So what exactly am I talking about? Creating your very first blog, unless you already have one. I highly recommend you to start with a self-hosted blog like Hostgator or Bluehost, for example. And even if there are a few ways to start a blog for free, well, you want to do it right from the beginning. So when you feel ready, it's better to start the right way. Now that you have started your blog, the next step is to create some blog articles, and you already know what they will be about, right? Your latest pins, of course. You will want to create your first articles for your blog having in mind the products that you already posted on Pinterest. And you may ask why? Well, because you have to build trust for your blog and for your Pinterest account. But hey, you want to be careful on how you write those articles because you want to include the products that you promoted on Pinterest in a beautiful story. Maybe we will talk about blogging in a future video, but now let's see how a blog can help you make money on Pinterest. Well, guess what? You will use Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog. And from there, well, if you're ready to start a blog and want to learn more, just leave a comment down below and I will be making a video about that too. The next method to make money on Pinterest is more for those that already have a business. For example, an e-commerce store. If you want to start a dropshipping business as well, well, watch this video and you will learn more about it. But let's say that you are already into e-commerce and you already have a Shopify store or you are selling on Etsy, for example. You want to take advantage from the power that Pinterest has to drive traffic to your store and of course generate sales. And here I can guarantee you that it works. More you post, more free traffic you will get. Now, another option would be to make Pinterest ads that, in my opinion, are very cheap. And even if you use them only to drive traffic to your store. Now, what is this? Well, only this month I made $350 with, let's say, 10 free posts on Pinterest. And by the way, that was from one of my Shopify stores. If you didn't know, I'm also a dropshipper and I have multiple Shopify stores. And that was just from one store in a very specific niche. Well, even if for some of you $350 is not much, well, maybe you can skip this video. I'm kidding. Stay here, please. Well, $350 for free, it is much because think about it, you can pay your Shopify apps or your Shopify plan or all of these only by posting a few pins on your Pinterest account. Now, what if you have a blog integrated in your Shopify store, for example? And you don't post only products, but also articles that give some value to your audience. Imagine that these $350 can become at least $1,000 from free traffic. And once you have one customer, well, he might be buying from you again and again. But let's stick to Pinterest and how to make money on it. So moving to the next method, when you have some skills and you know how to use Pinterest, you can teach others your Pinterest strategy. And yes, it is all under the social media marketing. But if you manage to take control and be very professional about what you know, it becomes so easy to find new ways to monetize your skills. You can make a course or an ebook or become a mentor. And even if sometimes is underestimated, well, Pinterest is very, very powerful. It will be much easier to monetize this by having a blog or, if you have more time, a YouTube channel. The fifth method to make money on Pinterest is following your passion. If you don't want to learn affiliate marketing right now, and if you consider it's just too difficult to start a blog, if you don't have an e-commerce store, and if if you don't know much about Pinterest, well, then just follow your passion, do what you like the most, and create pins. For example, if you like to cook or if you have to cook for your kids, let's say, then make videos, post your receipts, choose your target audience, for example, moms, and create a mailing list. If you don't know how to do that, well, first of all, you will have to prepare something for your audience. For example, an ebook, a video, or even an audio, because no one will give you their emails for nothing. And after that, well, I think I should talk for at least another 10 minutes, but because you are here to learn how to make money on Pinterest, just choose one method of the above and start right now and make it happen.
Just do it!
Okay guys, so now that you know how to take advantage and make money on or from Pinterest, let me know in the comment box below if you have any questions about Pinterest. Because I know I showed you just the methods to make money on Pinterest without any other details. But I think this single video would never end it, so let me know. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next time. Take care, bye bye!